welcome back to Naturally Corporate. So, I have fine natural hair and I have been enjoying my hair flat ironed for this entire past week. It is still looking very good and I'm not ready to let go of it yet. So, I'm that chemical free or naturalista who likes to wear my curly hairstyles such as twist outs. That's my go-to style for when my hair is, I'm wearing it curly, but I also love to switch and wear my hair flat ironed, particularly during the cool or colder months. So this is prime time for me. I can get more longevity in the cool or cold months with my flat iron because I'm not sweating and my hair is not poofing up. But anyway, let me show you my flat ironed hair. And like I mentioned, my hair is a week old today, and I flat ironed my hair myself, and I'm amazed that it still looks this great after an entire 7 days. And if you're wondering what I used on my hair, because product and technique have a lot to do with how a hairstyle will come out and how long it will last you. So for this flat iron hair, I use the 4-step smoothing system by Rucker Roots. And this video is not sponsored. I did purchase the products myself, but they are so awesome on my hair that I just wanted to mention it to you. So the smoothing system is a shampoo, conditioner, a heat protectant, and then a silkening growth serum. And this is the 4th step in that process. And this is just a smoothing serum. So what I do, or what I've done about twice since I flat ironed my hair a week ago, is I put a little bit of the smoothing serum on my hair and then I wrap it up at night. That's it. So let me show you the shine. I hope you can see it. Yes. This is what my hair is looking like after 1 week. And look how smooth it is. Not only is it shiny, but it's smooth. And there's no way that I'm going to shampoo this hair out and miss out on all this hang time. So I've got on black pajamas, but let me just show you. It is still straight and I am loving it. So like I mentioned, I did put a little bit of the serum on my hair to just help keep it smooth. And then I also put a little bit on the ends to make sure they stayed smooth too. All right, but what I want to do now, I'm going to rock my hair for at least another week. I honestly don't even see where it's starting to revert back or anything like that. Also, I got caught not in the rain, but I got caught out in some heavy mist New Year's Eve night. I had nothing on my head. I had no umbrella. And look, still smooth and shiny. So I'm gonna ride this wave for as long as the wave is there. But what I want to do, although I'm absolutely enjoying my hair, I want to add a little bit of curl to it. I don't want to add heat because I just flat ironed it last week. So I'm gonna do some heatless curls. I'm using Flexi rods. So this is a way I wanted to share with you that you can get curls without using heat, and also it is prolonging my flat iron style. I've got 6 Flexi rods that I'm going to use. That's all my hair requires. I do have fine hair, so using 6, I'm going to do 3 on each side, and that will give me soft, loose curls. I think that's the way I'll classify them. I am hoping that I can get some soft, loose curls and yeah, prolong this style. So here I go. If you've never used Flexi rods before, I think you'll find them pretty easy to use. It may take you 1 or 2 tries just to get the hang of it, but they are very simple to use. Now, notice that I'm only putting mousse about halfway down my hair and to the ends, and that's because that's where I want the hold. You know, that's where the curls will be, so I want them to have that gentle hold from the mousse. Also, I use end wraps pretty much whenever I use rollers, any type of rollers on my hair, and those are the little white pieces of tissue paper you see on the ends. I like to use end wraps for a couple of reasons. Number one, because I have fine hair, and because my ends can be really fragile, I feel like the end wraps just give me a little bit more protection. And the other reason is that you may not be able to really tell, but I have layers cut into my hair, and mainly in the back. So the end wraps just help all of the hair, you know, the pieces that are, the sections that are a little bit shorter than others, just helps it all blend together and fit nicely around the Flexi rod. All right, all of my Flexi rods are in. I did use all 6. For a moment, I thought I'd only need 5 because my hair really is low density in the back. My hair is deceptively thick because depending on how I style it and, you know, what it's looking like that day, it can look really, really thick and full. And I guess it is pretty full. I have fine hair, but I have a fair amount of it. Anyway, I thought I'd only need 5 because my hair is pretty low density in the back going out toward my nape area. Back here. So it's really fine, so I don't have to pack in a lot of rollers back there. It's just no need to. I can fit all of my hair on the Flexi rods that I used, and I could have really gotten away with 5. I've even done 4 Flexi rods before, just one in each quadrant of my hair. But I went ahead and used all 6 because I do want some nice fluffy curls, and we'll see what they look like. Also, if you have fine hair like I do, put your Flexi rods in. If you choose to do this style, put your Flexi rods in loosely. If you have certain areas of your hair that are even finer or more fragile than other sections, just be sure to put your Flexi rods in loosely. Because even though these are really soft and really comfortable to sleep in, you still don't want that extra tension on your hair, especially while you're asleep overnight and it's 6, 7, 8 hours of tugging on your hair. So just put your Flexi rods in loosely. Okay, so it's time to take the Flexi rods out, and I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I looked at the first half of the video and I really felt like it was low energy, and if I felt that and thought that, then certainly you might have felt the same way. That wasn't the case. I did have energy. I'd like to think of it as being more mellow because it really was late at night. My channel is very real life. I try to be as authentic as I can. So yeah, I was doing my hair right before I went to bed. It was after midnight, so that's pretty late. And I did have the energy to come on, but it was just late. and I was mellowed out. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for hanging with me this long and watching this video. I appreciate you. I am much more fresh-faced, as you can see. So I'm going to take out these Flexi rods, and if you've never slept in Flexi rods, they're very comfortable. This is the only size I have ever used, the purple ones, but I would imagine any size that you may get should still be pretty comfortable because they're very soft. So here we go. All right, my hair is still shiny and I have curls. So I'm just going to finger comb. Same for the back. And the mousse did exactly what I hoped it would. I used just a little bit of mousse. I used the Cream of Nature with argan oil because that's what I had on hand. I had Lotta Body. I know I have Lotta Body too, but the Cream of Nature was the first one that I grabbed. So we've got good curls and just a little bit of hold. As you can see, I'm still really able to run my fingers through my curls very easily. And this is what we have. These are heatless overnight curls using Flexi rods. If you're looking for a way to preserve your curls, if you've got a roller set that you recently had put in, this is a great way to preserve your roller set, and also a great way to stretch your flat ironed hair if you've gone for a week or so, or even just several days if you don't want it as straight. Throw some heatless curls in it. I'm telling you, get you some Flexi rods. If you don't have any, get some. Get some Flexi rods. Who is my hair crush? Me. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.